Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover old messages on WhatsApp. Now, this is rather easy to do. If I'm just on the application home screen under the chats menu, let's go up to the three little dots in the upper right side of the screen and select this. Now, I am on Android, so I'm going to go to settings. If you're on iPhone, it's going to be somewhat similar. So under settings, let's go on down to where it says chats. Select this. And under here, we have the option to go to chat backup. Now, go to last backup. Back up your messages and media to your Google Drive. You can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. So delete the application and then reinstall it back to your phone. You just need to make sure you back up your messages. Your messages will also back up to your phone's internal storage. So let's go down to where it says backup right here and select this, and it's going to back up all my messages. Now, I believe it does it automatically. So it says backup to Google Drive monthly. You can reduce this down to pretty much only when I tap backup, daily, weekly, or monthly. So choose whatever you want. Then your messages should be backed up, and you can go to chat history right here. You can archive all chats, you can export them, you can clear all chats and delete all chats. Locate WhatsApp on your phone, go to the Google Play Store, and you can delete it and then reinstall it back to your phone right here. Then all your messages should be on your device once again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.